Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence and augmented reality are shaping the world of design? As we venture into this new frontier, it's essential to understand that artificial intelligence and augmented reality aren't just trendy buzzwords. They are groundbreaking technologies that are revolutionizing a plethora of industries, design included. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that allows machines to mimic human intelligence, learning from experience and performing tasks that were once solely the domain of humans. On the other side, augmented reality, or AR, layers digital information onto the real world, thereby enhancing our perception of reality. When these two technologies converge, they create a dynamic duo that is changing the way designers work. They're not just tools for creation, but catalysts for innovation, paving the way for designers to explore uncharted territories and create experiences that were once thought impossible. To understand this better, let's delve into a real-life case study. Consider the IKEA Place app, an excellent example of AI and AR in action. This innovative app by IKEA, a Swedish powerhouse in home goods, has folded the future into the present by incorporating augmented reality and artificial intelligence into our shopping experiences. So how does it work? Imagine you're redecorating your living room and you're not quite sure if that trendy coffee table you've been eyeing will fit in with the rest of your decor. Instead of relying on your spatial imagination, you can now use the IKEA Place app to virtually place the coffee table right in your living room using your smartphone's camera. The magic of augmented reality lets you see how the furniture will look in your space in real time. You can move around, get up close, and view it from different angles, just as you would with a physical piece of furniture. But that's not all. The app's artificial intelligence kicks in to understand the dimensions and aesthetics of your room. It analyzes your space